for is trending padded. This is so unique. Yeah, so 19. Hey, me bag. This I saw this. Welcome. I'm back again. I'm at Marshall's at the shoe section. Let's see what they have here in the store for us. Okay, here I'm looking at these ballet mesh flats by Juicy Culture. Interesting. This you will see lots of these this year. It's trending. Okay. We are still rocking it. This one is $19.99. Slingback Cheeto heels, well padded for $29.99. Another mesh by Steve Madden. I'm still on a hunt for a perfect mesh that will hold my feet together. $28.99. Okay, and here look at these. The Mary Janes. Look at this. Well done. Nice thoughts for $29.99. Here we have this suede loafers by Steve Madden. I love the neutral shade for $49.99. Here we have another flat. This is $19.99. Up here is this one by this brand. I got a shoe by this brand and that shoe served me really well. Look, this one is on sale for just $20. $20. Here we have these ballet flats. Look what we got here by CK. Yes, metallic, and I love it. It's not in your face. It's well made. This is $29.99. All right, here we have this clog. Interesting clogs, and this one is on sale for $28.99. Sorry, let me see. $28. Okay. Here is this ballet flat. No, sorry, loafers. $29.99. Here is this ankle straps by Jessica Simpson. This must be very comfortable. Look at the block heels. Let's pick the price. $29.99. Here is another one. We saw this in color black. $19.99. Okay. And let me show you the sneakers by Reebok. Interesting one for $19.99. Yeah, you will see lots of colorful sneakers this year. If you have them, bring them out. If you don't have, come to Marshall's. Interesting suede pumps. This is on sale for $32. Look what we have here. Interesting flats by Tommy Hilfiger for $29.99. Look what we got here. You will see lots of classic sneakers this year. You will see all those, interesting color combinations this year. You will see interesting, bright colors this year. $19.99. Okay. And here is another one. Gold slimback. Look at this. This is slimback and even open side pumps. Okay. Kitten heels. This one is $39.99. And here we have these shoes. Very interesting. Yeah, this is so unique by this brand, House of Halo. 60. Okay, this is in size 6.5. This is 29.99. That shoe is well made. Okay, here we have this one. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, let's go and see what they have elsewhere. To clothing section, let's start from here. Why settle? Get deals and designers. Of course, this is why we're here. Let's see. These are very simple sweater, floral sweater. Interesting. Look at this. The quality is so good for 24.99. And here you will likely see in different sizes as well. Yeah, I love this. It's well displayed as well. And here we are looking at this. This looks really expensive. I'm loving this. Yeah, and this one is just 24.99. Yeah, very good. And here we have this one. Look at this. An extra large, interesting brand for just 19.99. You can never go wrong with this. And here we have this by CC. All right. And here, this one is 16.99. Here you go. Look at this for 19.99. Interesting. Here we have another one. We are doing stripes this year, so if you have stripes in your wardrobe, bring them out. If you don't have, come to Marshall's, $14.99. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up, please. Thumbs up, please. Thank you so much. This one is $16.99. Okay, yeah, perfect for summer if you ask me. And here we have this interesting green thick silk long sleeves button down shirt. Very good for $19.99. And this one is by this brand. Check this out. Don't play. They make good pieces, trust me. And here we have this one. Yeah, for $19.99. I love the color. Very good. And here we have this. The quality on this one is good. This is 100% linen, actually. And this one is $24.99. You can never go wrong. And here we have this one for $16.99. It's very, very good. Yeah, perfect for summer, perfect for vacation. Interesting. And we have this one, really girly, interesting print for $16.99. Very good. So all right, let me take you to handbag section. Let's see what they have. Come with me. So to handbag section, let's see what they have here. I'm looking at this black structured bag by MK, and this one is, let's see, $119.99. Oh, take a look, good look. We are doing this seriously. This is really trending. Tell me this is not interesting by BCBG. $24.99. Should I get this? Should I get? I have something like this in Zara. As in, yeah, I got from Zara. There we go. The truth is, this is not for people like me. This bag is not meant for me. It's not my style. But I love how edgy it is. I love it for fashion. Yeah, I will get that for styling video. All right, let's look at this one. Very good. The leather is so soft. $29.99. And this foam one by Karl Lagerfeld. This is fun. Look at that for $59.99. And up here we have another bag for $59.99. Made in India. They make good bags. And here we have this structured bag for $34.99. And here we have this one. This is something I can do as a big bag. Yeah, I can do this. I love big bags that are slouchy. Yeah, I love big bags that are slotted. $39.99, which is so good. And also another bag here. Look, very good leather as well. For just $39.99, you can never go wrong. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I saw this all through last season. It's back in stock. If you are looking for this bag, come to Marshalls. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time, thumbs up please. Bye for now.